accept us. Then he actually is so busy with Tibetan school's principal, right? Then it's a national demonstration organizer. He was busy, but I'm not comfortable with required. It's a great master. Time required. We have this translator. If I'm required, he accept. Where's Michael? Please introduce his.
Yes. This is the Pema Doji from Nechung Center. They have a place nearby here on First Avenue. And he has nice classes there. So we're happy to have Ken Pema. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I had a wonderful opportunity to meet you guys and listen to Geshe-la's teaching. My English is not good. And also I'm not a scholar, nor I'm a grad practitioner. So I'm just a walker, walker. So when he's giving teaching, I'm trying to my best to try to tell you about what his teaching is. But there will be lots of missing, lots of mistakes. You have to forgive me. Because I'm not a scholar, neither I'm a good practitioner, nothing. I'm a construction worker. So I want I think it's better to say forgive me before, after then my lots of mistake, and then I say forgive, maybe you won't forgive me. So I want to ask you now, please forgive me if I make a lot of mistakes. I know that, so please forgive me for my mistakes, because it's not your fault, my fault. I didn't study well when I had time to study and do things in a young age. I was run up to my ego contest. So I studied a lot, so I don't know too much. So anyway, Geshe asked me yesterday, was a great opportunity. So I could not say no, because I don't know, but I say yes, because Geshe is very kind for our community. Wherever we get together, he comes there anytime to participate, to pray service, everything wonderful, So great master, was chanting master for many years. So it's really part of our community. So we have a community centers, and when we get together anywhere, Geshe is always available there. So he asked me one time, of course I say yes, but please forgive me my wrong English and not understanding religious meanings, but I try my best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, coming here, they'll have us translated, right? And 통화들 쉬어라는 것은 tweaking 것은 이 콘솔을 쉬우되게 그래서 최규 돌리체에 나기 게임에서 기능도 기준인데 사는 자원이는 근데 지금에 쓰는 거 그래서 초조하게 두셔지는 거 돌리체가 가도 되는 상도 당기에 쓰는 거 초조하게 원도 두셔셔야 하는 거서 아주 돌리 다소서 간도 계속 지나야돼 자 최규 돌리체와는 조서 통화들다 굴론주에 계정 거인자 아니 굴론이를 가도 있는다 근데 쉬되게 쓰는 거 아니 다 굴론 저단들 맞아 지 최규 돌리기 지에비 맞았다 라니 지고든도 많이 받다 로아슨지 탐지이다 코알라 네더니 로아슨지 탐지다 저게상이 고만하다 치버체 얘기다 심기에다 심기에 처리해 받다 심지 탐지다 저게상이 고만하 고엘라 단다 소소라 네가 맨나냐다 마음바 직 소소라기네 네가 얘다 대체발라야다 라니 저게상이 고만 마톱나 심지 탐지다 코알레다 델 투비 네가 매바에 맞아 최치에 대 디셔도 있으는 것도 가도이나 굴론주에 개정거에 있으니 이 군들한테 쉬되기한 반달 트레이닝을 하면서 아니 굴론 이제 쯤에 되는 것도 지금 가만히 해서 굴론주에 된다가 검지들이 지기 있으니
So Kesila says, usually he told you guys, please don't expect, don't think I'm a teacher or you're a disciple. On not the basis we didn't gather here to discourse the religion matters, because we all are same religious friend, spiritual friend. So please believe in that. And the best thing is when you practice or do any virtuous things you act on, you have to have a generated motivation. So how to generate, why we have to generate motivations, bodhicitta things, because all the sentient beings in samsara, they are bound with the sufferings, same including us. So we all want to have happiness, and we don't want unhappiness or sufferings. So to overcome that, we need to practice, to act on the virtuous actions, and also to generate bodhicitta. So in this case, if someone is higher, someone is lower, in not that case, we have to think about all us as a dharma friend or a spiritual friend, working, practicing together to benefit self and other sentient beings. So in that, so we get here evening to same thing. We have to generate the bodhicitta and to generate your compassion towards others and self. So in the beginning, we have to do maybe a couple of minutes meditations to start for generating bodhicitta mind. So that's it. I don't know, better not to say too many things.
Did you hear? I think it's better here, you guys.
You hear me?
Yes.
Next time I speak louder, okay,
Okay.
but I can't change my English. It's
Yeah, we heard.
teleson chidani de mancho wata gom gabe kawlata chingaso shudagi rimba de mancho wata kingi yiro makimba yimba mancho da chidani de namlangi chudi suyen da chidani kejare es ni jimi ditoni shugo yo mare es ni makimba to zoina namlangi chudi tone chi shutowa yimba yana chi gezen kebaji metro os ni odinde tone chi manzo kamani sumda da kulon chudani rimba to la chi samloji tanatunda those the.
So normally when meditation goes with the 7 posture of Bhairocana. So it's better to generate easier, or it's all the wind and channels are according to that posture, it flows better. So in this way we meditate on the mostly you guys know the 7 posture of Bhairocana. So those who know, it's a wonderful. So we're going to talk about that a little bit, and you meditate on that through that method.
Do you know it's 7 Bhairocana? I think
Question,
you guys.
Anybody, you know what 7 posture of Bhairocana?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
good to know.
that's great.
I think it's 1-2%. If not, then we will ropes slash our.
Remember, Kesila wants to brief introduction on that.
Also, check. Lapa nyamshas that Kamba Kitum Chine Dinesh Sungore, Senjo, Kamba Kitum Che, Lapa nyamshas Neta, and the Chungurku, the Chajas Medota, Korluk, the Chungurku, Chajache. And also the Gitzik, the Tamboshuva life in the Sumudo, Gitzi Tamboshu, and it Jimbachunse Kupa, Serena, Tambachunse Kupache, and Pumbo Nivota, Guigi, Shobata Canvas, what it is, and Mignazella Power, and it Chedi King Javas, what Dinelata, Colodama, the Namani Chedi Sumudo, Senero.
So the 7 postures start with your Vajra lotus. It's called Vajra posture. You have to sit like this, cross leg like that, and then. This the posture, hand posture is like this. It's giving chakra teachings. And your spine or the backbone should be straight like an arrow. So it helps the channels stay. Like, you know, there's the car, they have a water flow pipes inside the machine, engine. So when it's a little crooked or bended, it doesn't work properly. Same way, the channel should be straight, backbones will straight. It helps channel the wind, everything passes through easily. And then your shoulder should be like a vulture sitting, like it's a little out, sit like this, and then your head a little bit bent, tilted down, and looking your eyes on the tip of your nose, and then your tongue touch on the tip of your, what you call the upper part of the jaw? Palate, yeah, right. So, you know.
근데 당다 남는 유치도는데 깜보 기좀 쉬어야 다 된다 소 디에서다 아 땡징라 지냈다 나서 산지 좀 된다 뭐예 가르다 와르나셀라 가서 자주 총기 사실 장마로 송라 말잘 말했단다 와르나셀라다 아 로토 보드 가와제 땡징라다 가와제는다 리덴젤라다 산지 고반 토바에서 땡징라다 산지 고반 토베기 땜쟁이 사례스 니 기좀 쳐야 돼.
The warrior posture is auspicious not to have a immutable or to stay no distractions or no movement, because it's called the warrior posture. It helps that, because Buddha did 6 years meditation, he sit in that posture, so it helps not to have a immutable movement. So it's strength.
This. The Lapanim said that Mahoman Susonia, Sanji Chundita, Mobazuba Sangenita, to share a Chungurko and Sosoyeta, Chungurgueta, Temdesor, the Chayasur is you know.
The hands posture, this is like shape of chakra, which is the giving teachings when you get enlightened, then you give teaching to the sentient beings in the future.
And a combat passional, that Kiranzo Manso, see you in a combat passional, Horloche, the Sunila Ridati, in that Elamata, Deshikuna, you must Sagichum in the Mombazuba, San Geneta, Euro Varana Serata, Deshishu, Kobe Kablata, in this. It died and that Naxel, you the Ridata, shower, the Mamushu, Sares, and Sagichum, the Chusumbe, Ponzo Chazanda, Niende Bayinsa. That did Sandusur in Sares and Surnila Dinichate.
Now we have all the top of the monastery, they have symbol for the chakra in the middle, Dharma chakra in the middle, and the side there's 2 animals, the deer type animals. That symbols, that was when Buddha was giving 4 noble teachings in Banaras. So that time that area has a lot of animals, like deers, and they have some, they were listening his teachings. So symbol that's they met the future to see that this symbol was met. The essence of the symbol when the monasteries from that came out story.
Then Jesse Tambur Shue, the Susugita Salum Pass with the Joel Cabaret Sares and Jesse Tambur Shue.
And the spine should be straight. It helps to movement of the wind channels.
And it's a Jimba of Goa Swing in Azotach. Simcu with number 10. Simcu and the country is an Covid Ranshi. The Covid Dungal that Horda. Coating Dungali Ranshi, but that's also how Kone that Teletanama to dream in the Senate, that Simcu with number is a race in the row. Then a country is an Mijigeta, Yen in the Tomba in Nani. So didn't Gamba in the kind of simply ordination, Simcuna in number 2 to us, and that they call that Simcu number is a race.
So that your the head or this, what you call this neck, now is supposed it shows that you have an emotion, because all beings in the samsara with bond with sufferings and including yourself. So when you have a feeling on the suffering, you understand the samsara, is not a place to gain the freedom. So it's called samsara is called the vernal suffering. So when you understand these sufferings in samsara, nature of samsara, so it's a bound of lot of sufferings. That's why you feel the emotion, sadness. So you just like some of your friends or neighborhood, somebody pass away, and so everybody low motion, or put your hands look down. So that nature they put like that. That means you understand the suffering, nature of suffering. So you have a wish to overcome it.
다 본번이 그 쇼다리 꺄고요 김제 되면서 다 본번 어디에 다 죄 숙성을 살아했습니다. 아니 가서 검제배 걸었다. 본번이 되는데 잡게 버렸는데 죄죠 그냥 다 나서라. 다니 신나래 다 디모 신나래 다 니들레 인가 마요 튼달다. 디에들 롱데 조데 바이나 나서라 지. 니 요야다 마요야다 가우dom치기 살아했습니다.
And then the shoulders would like high, like you have to keep space in between body and the hand, arms, because it flows to air through, because it says it has more heat in here. So when you meditate, so it's heat comes more, so it's sweat and things coming out. That's why they put like this, and the air can through it, so it keeps more comfortable and dry.
근데 믹나젤라 파우스에 다 지단에 겸으로서 다 가서 것도 인지미지 믹나젤라 바보 말했으니 디체베나 가시 믹나젤라 디체가자니 스모 포스도 그러서야 검게라 스모 시디 여행 전달이야 셈마게 버스나 편도요 말했으니라 지단에 지시하는 시험에나 믹나젤라 바베디 마서기 딱 걸어다 düğünler çıksosogi yidome dada tidata migitosodi matönö tala di kaldum çetendala isare sinero kajeta migbet sumna diye samare sin kansena masoji gomge na chü nyamlen chedi mishibi myubadi se tendala inza azu miksum demena ta chalana mo de kegi matonwa ro wati tendala migbet sumna diye samare sin ta bet shukshum bu dangbayena ya chigita düğünalo 직 차바기네야 소소기 심지 세지도 미네던다라니 미디 나젤 파베트 다디사레 고바니즈사레.
And then you look on the tip of your nose. Sometimes you too much focus. His Holiness His Holiness Dayadama gives teaching and says, you are just we try to do meditate on a relaxation or calm mind. So when you focus too much on your nose, maybe it'll give you some irritation or unhappy mind. So that's why you don't have to be really focused on your nose, how to shape the nature of it. But normally what they're looking down is try to avoid, not to see the many distraction. What do you call it?
Distraction. Yeah.
Distractions. So many things, beautiful things, so many things. Our desire, we have a desire. So many we have. All this to avoid these negative emotions or thoughts. So that's why they try to not to look too far to see other phenomena which will give you distractions. See, distracted things. Not to distract it, because you have to focus your mind on one thing. So, and also you cannot close your eyes. And also you cannot totally close your eyes, because we try to eliminate ignorance, unknown or misknowing, and also totally close, you don't see anything, nature of things too. So you cannot close totally, keep yourself blind, no, because you have to keep a little open it. So you cannot close totally, no, you can open totally a wide way. So try to not to get distraction from outside, and plus cannot close totally because you don't want to live in a blindness. So we try to remove our ignorance and ignorance. So to avoid that, you have to keep a little open eyes.
Then, Jake Candy, Jedia, Ken, the Jabo, and other Gomga, Kamago, and the Lamazo, Becadi Bejar de Vainaya, Katum de the Kadicom, Yanso Subulata, pants of the new to Ruasin. And Jedia, Ken, the Jardeva, and the Koranshi, Nazo Canada, Chule de Vainza, Dita, Kamago, Pendochigis.
And when you touch your tongue, tip of the tongue at the palate, it's when you close totally your mouth and stand on that, focus on that, and you get thirsty soon. There's this thirsty or dry mouth comes. So to avoid that, when you touch your tongue, tip of the tongue at the palate, so it keeps moisture in your mouth, or not to run too much saliva out. So it keeps that thing there. Not to have lose your focus on your meditation.
The number you should Chidani Diremo, Sota, number two, the low Condeva in Injimita, Namna you should into the shoe, case of Sozo Kang Dede, Kan Soto Tanazo Gomge, the same stitch in the net to Lala Inza, Mazo did that Chagachi, we same stitch in the net Kumarovas, and the Chidani race, and so same stitch in the Nebo Inza, Injimita, Shudan de la Holiday Mares.
That's 7 Vairocana postures. 7 Vairocana postures are, it's traditional, it's general, they say this explanation of how to meditate, they call it. But it doesn't have to be totally on that basis you have to focus. No. The way we meditate is to bring focus, single point focus. So if that's important, then we're looking at 7 postures all the time, you lose your mind different way, not like that. So you have it, your focus on your mind. Whatever the easiest way you get focus on, single point. You have to find that. But so it has a meaning, it has a beneficial for the 7 postures for the beginners. Better than there's many types of other meditations too. So but important is you have to calm and meditate on your single point. Whatever the easiest, best way you get it, that's you have to do.
The Nejita, Tula Yavitana Tajiga, Tango Shua Nashita, Chogi Dolinchi, Rosim Tamjeta Zubisan Yakovan, Tobeton, the Chiyu, and what in the Jukulan Chile de Nazata, Kamanizo Gomji Gagi, etc.
So we are going to meditate for a few minutes on the benefit of all mothers and things. So as I mentioned before, so all our spiritual friends, on that basis you will meditate together here today. So generate your mind for benefit of all other sentiments.
Only 3 minutes, no 4 minutes, only 3 minutes, we have no time. It was 18 p.m. thank you. so chu handa khan chewa ina tagi tango shuwa na shinga zo chanju gi simgi ta se simbi gon da chu ma chewa ina ngo zo tabo chimbi chu so mi ro wa na ani rang jin zi lu de shuk che zhe nyang ga yu zo ma zo da xian jie ba jing go wa na ani da xian jie ba jing na ni xian jie ba jing ba de yin de kare to gu yu me to ne ma zo ro lin che wo ba yin za so chanju gi simbi gon da chan주기 생기 심비 토네 아닌 가서다 최기 돌림체 디 계신 거인 상이다 군원 주의기를 받이 다 공부하셔서니 쉬고 있는데
So any discourse with a spiritual discourse has to contact with the bodhicitta, generating bodhicitta, because we have a self-grasping, we have self-cherishing. So to eliminate self-cherishing, we need to generate the mind to cherish other sentiments, others. So that's why whenever we do discourse, we have to have generated bodhicitta to benefit other sentiments, because self-cherishing, self-grasping holds us in the suffering. Then all this suffering comes from that. That's why we want to avoid that. We want to overcome that. We need to learn how to benefit other sentiments. So we have to generate the bodhicitta to other sentiments. On that basis, we have to do discourse on the spiritual practice, discourse on religious matters.
다 랑체버 짐바인바이나 아니 랑체버 짐바이다 아니 콜라피데 단지지게 나나라야 단지 쇼충보게 다 겨워지만 미다 랑체버 짐발라데네 겨워지만 미미르도 토구레 있나야 미밀로 톱네 깨서디 코아 인자 엔조 코아라 코르디 바레 세네도 코아라 코르디 바란제 코르디 비레 미밀로 톱에 온도 당네 다 신체버 짐바인바이나 아니 로스인제 탐지기 텐데 나랑 코르디 림비 코르디 랭기 예센다 semgejikke ta tanda magye na ta semgejikke bi tengne ani chunyamle chewaye na ani yege ta sozolo kushi dani yeta kalota sanyi ko ba de top to do insan ta so shen chebar jingo tunda so di insare.
So self-cherishing, self-grasping brings the sufferings for us, and all. That's why we need to generate others to overcome the suffering. And we see the Buddhas, the Bodhisattvas, they cherish others, they gain the result of enlightenment, a waking mind, and they have a wonderful, spacious mind to understand sufferings. They understand the nature of suffering, so they don't. They have feeling different way of very different than us, like. So to overcome the sufferings, we need to cherish, to benefit other sentiments. So you need to achieve enlightenment. So to gain that, you have to have a motivation to benefit other sentient beings. And for that best, you need the generated bodhicitta and have to have an understanding of other sentiments, same as yourself. To overcome the sufferings.
다 데레 손상탄다 로준 시제만데 쪼고다 chanjugi sem kitab niyi nane 다 다시 냠제다 아니 균제명아 dwingi niyi nane 쪼다 다시 냠지기 거는 로장바데 초도 교바 인상 다시 냠지기 거는 로장바 초도 교바라 랑다 셴레 다 셴제버 좀바데 쪼송바 인상 아니
So we're going to talk about the 8 verses of maintaining. So there is 2 ways of generating bodhicitta, and one it's called the self and others benefits practice. So especially in this case, it's benefiting in this case both self and others. Doesn't have to be hardly on yourself cherishing things, because you do others benefits for others, your benefit will be byproduct. So we're going to talk about it Edwards in my training.
다대나네 단나서 합당님한테 단다 슐로가 담보디 가르템 버렸으나 랑 신체버즈미 인데템바로 슐로가 담보디 신체버즈미 인데템바 쓰는 딩아도다 제신이라면다 잡서고 그래스니 아니 슐로가 니바디 가르스는잖아 랑다 신체버즈 제나 연데딘데 토고요 와스니 텐데스서 연데딘데 토발라 랑레 신 촉도 마다는 연대는 미토바디 쇼로가 니바디 때문에 있어요. 세네로. 제부모라시네 규디젤라시에지도 어딘데지.
So we started last time. We read first chapter and second. First what do you call this? First stanza is that shows what important to benefit other centipedes. So cherish others, you cherishing other centipedes. We taught that, and that you learn what is what you gain the knowledge cherishing others. What benefits you gain cherishing others. You learn that.
말에 따로 신체벌 짐발한테 연대딘데 토부요나 신체벌 간데진 거잖아. 라날리 신초도 기왔다가. 라날리 신
Now the first words you saw that when you generate how to benefit other sentient beings, you learn that, so you gain the knowledge, what special knowledge or what special things you learn from that. Now you learn that, now you second words you have to say, because I'm getting this benefit from that knowledge, others cherishing others. So on that basis, you put yourself less important than others. And the second verse said that.
다 디인인서레스네 랑레 신촉도 마다와이나 다 상기기 단다다 덤바샤게 도와다올라 샤와이나 심지기 텐도 상기와레 모두 심지메나 상기 고한 토베 호라미도 왔으니 아니 심진디 상계를 때네 가는 친구